Happy Tuesday. Welcome to the bus. I'm Leah.
I'm Jeff.
And together we are...
The Les Nation.
All right.
With a question mark.
With a question mark today.
And we're going to get right into it. We're going to break this down, what we just did.
Sounds good. All right, let's take a deep breath in. Let all of the world's troubles and your stresses all the way out of the top of your head. Deep breath in. And let it out. And then we'll take a deep bend in the knees. And roll all the way up. Opening up the rib cage. Did a little alien abduction. And let's dance.
All right. Let's get right into it, guys. The first few 8 counts. First things first, we're going to do a basic. Side to side basic.
Here we go.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1,
Twisting
2,
a box.
3, 4. Let's do that again.
So
Slowly.
regular box. We're going to twist it.
Mm-hmm.
1.
Step behind.
Hook. Step forward. Even
And
out.
tap. And 1, 2, 3, 4.
And you were doing something with your hands too, right?
Yes. What we can do is add a little bit of momentum to that back step. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that again. And 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's do the second half after we do this one last time. And 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to get in this comfortable position here. Or you can go here, but let's go here. We're going to do a booty roll, kind of pressing through the motion. So 5, 6, 7, 8.
Are you switching weight each time?
Switching weight.
Gotcha.
And 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Sorry, we're going to tap, not press through the 8. Let's
and we're
do that
tapping
again.
behind, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We're tapping behind because we're going to go to our left. And 5, 6, 7, 8.
And we're
Slightly angling 45 degrees because we're going to go to our left.
Cool.
Do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. One last time. One last time. Then we'll do it all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it from the beginning. One basic. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time from the beginning.
All right.
One basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Second half.
Next up.
Wanna do it?
Next basic. Let me try to remember what it was.
I can do
it. So we went... Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, so we're going to step. We're going to do a forward basic, but we're going to cross. So 1,
That's right.
cross behind. 2, go forward. 3, tap on 4. 8. So that 8 is right behind our knee. I'm sorry, our 4. I'm sorry. Our 4 is right behind our knee. So we're going up on 4. Instead of tapping, we're going to go up. Let's do that again. And 1, back behind 2, press forward on 3, up on 8. 4. I can't count. Let me do it again.
Numbers.
Yeah, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on this 4, we're going to shoot back and do a body roll basic. 5 and 7, 8. And when I do that, I'm rotating myself forward. At 5 and 7, 8, I'm going to orientate myself. I have that 4 count to go forward. Let's go back to that 4. 4, 5, and 7, 8. One last time. 4, 5, and 7, 8. Let's do it from the beginning. So we're tapped on 4, on 8.
Oh, the second minute.
Second half.
Basic.
Beginning of the second half. Yep.
Okay.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. All right.
From the top.
From the very top.
All
One
right.
basic. One
Let's
basic.
do it.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Booty
7,
roll.
8. 1,
Cross
2,
behind.
3,
Lift it up.
4, 5,
How do you
and
roll?
7, 8. All right, guys. Let's do the third step.
Third one.
Let's move on.
We're moving and grooving.
Moving,
See?
moving.
Coming right up. So we've just ended. We had our flamingo step right here. We do our backwards body roll and tap. We're gonna do a turn. So we're gonna go forward on our left, pivot around, step forward, and then we're gonna do a cha-cha-cha. Here we go. And 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. And I'm thinking less about my feet and more about my knees, just bending and straightening there. And that's going to allow you to get more speed as the music gets faster. And in traditional style bachata, there are some fast songs. So you want to be able to get there on time. And if you're worried about if you have to lift your whole foot, you're not going to make it. If you focus your energy on switching your weight with your knees, it'll get you there much faster. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. For the second half, we're going to take it a little bit different. We're going to go 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So we're bringing our pelvis forward, back, forward, and tap. Let's do that a couple more times. Actually, let's do it facing this way so you can do it with us.
Yeah.
So we're going to actually be facing that way, but so that you can see, we're going to face forward.
Yep.
So we're going to go 5 and 6 and 7, 8.
And that should bring us 180.
Yeah,
We did 180 to get it facing you guys and 180 back.
you got it. So we're really straightening that left leg. And that's what's getting us our hips moving forward and back. Here we go. And 5 and 6 and 7, 8. All right. We're going to put them both together. So we're going to be facing away from you, but you do the same thing we just did when we're facing away.
Yes. Check the camera later.
Here we go. And 1, 2. Here's the cha-cha-cha. Here we go. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. All right.
Let's do it again.
Again. And 1. And turning. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8.
Hey.
Ooh.
Let's get it from the beginning, guys, with one basic.
Okay, one basic, and then we go for it?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. You want to count and I do the
Yeah.
descriptions? Okay.
And 1,
Basic.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Twisted
8.
box.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Booty roll.
5, 6,
Angle it
7,
up.
8. 1, 2,
Basic.
3,
Flamingo.
4,
Body
5.
roll.
and 7, 8.
Here we go, turn.
1, 2,
Cha
3,
cha
and 4,
cha.
5, and 6, and 7, 8.
And basic.
5, 6, 7, 8. Yep.
All right, that is our 3 basics.
Yes.
Ready for the last one?
Let's move on and do the last step. The
Okay.
trickiest part. There's some syncopations here, guys.
Here we go.
So we're tapped on our 8. We are going to do a, I call it a triple heel with a curve.
Good
So
twist.
I'm gonna, a twist, not a curve. 1 and 2.
Let's do it without the twist first, facing forward.
I'll do it facing forward. So now I'm on my left. We're not mirrored here, so my left is your right. 1 and 2.
Okay.
So let me face forward. Leah will face that way. I'm gonna do with the twist. 1 and 2. So I'm kind of digging in to the ground. So 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And then that 2 should be heeled out. All right, let's do it again from the 8. Tap on the 8. 1 and 2. Then I'm going to step on 3 and 4. So I'm flaring out and 4. Don't forget, when we step on our 3 and 4, it's not 4, 5, and 4. It's quick. So let me go 1 and 2, go 3 and 4. Following there, guys. So let's do the last half, okay? So I'm step on 3 and 4. Again, shift that weight. 3 and 4. One more time. I'm gonna do it slow. 3 and 4. Everything together, slow.
Everything?
Not everything. Sorry. This
The
8
fourth,
count
eighth
together.
count?
Yes, the 4th,
Okay.
8th count together. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Yes. Let's do that again. Sorry, I messed up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8.
We calling this the bee's knees?
The bee's knees or the chicken wang, chicken file. All right, I'm gonna do it facing you guys. Remember, it's not mirrored. It's gonna go 5 together, 6, 7, 8. What helps to be on your tippy toes? 5, 6, 7, 8. Just for that count. 7, 8. You can still do your step together. 7, 8. Then you're ready for your 1. So you split weight there, guys. Okay, let's go from the beginning of that first, the last part of the count. Let's go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think we should do it maybe one more time.
That sounds good.
Yeah, it's a little fast. I'm gonna go slow. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Counts, guys. Let's do it.
Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 y 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 y 4, 5, 6 y 7, 8. 1 y 2, 3 y 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 y 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right, guys.
Whew.
Okay, now let's do it all with music.
Let's do it.
Few basics. 2 more. All right, let's go.
Si tú no quieres seguirme, yo no te voy a obligar. Si tú no quieres seguirme, yo no
Basic.
te voy a obligar.
1 more.
Todavía me siento
Let's go.
joven.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Todavía me siento joven.
7, 8, 1, 2, 3 y 4, 5, 6 y 7, 8, 1 y 2, 3 y 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
Ven, siéntate, vamos a hablar.
All right, guys.
Antes de yo
One more basic. One more basic.
ven, siéntate, vamos
go.
a hablar. Voy a contarte una cosa que a nadie se la contar. De una mujer que yo tuve, y oye, ¿por qué me dejó?
That's our
Again,
challenge.
that's our footwork challenge for this Tuesday. Hope you guys have fun. Please support us. And we'll be back next Tuesday with more content. See you.